I don't think it's possible for me to really get over this. I won't be able to get over this. But like the preacher said today, she find her way home, you know. That is the only hope we have right now. She opened my mind to greater possibilities. You understand? There was so much dreams and hopes that she allowed me to invoke within myself that I didn't even know was possible. You know what I mean? And to be honest with you, right now that she's gone, it's hard for me. You know, there are days when I don't even get up out of bed. And I cannot understand they who are around me who are dealing with the same burden of sadness. But based upon how I'm feeling, you know what I mean, it's hard for me to interact with people anymore.
People have to take into consideration to really be careful out there on the road, because since my sister died the 12th of April, a lot of accidents me hear happen after that. So it's like people still not learn. We need to take caution, and the police them for one need to be on the road even more. You know? You can't just waste a people's life. It's an innocent life gone down the drain.
From the date of January, we have been trying to clear a 20-foot container. Every single time when we go to pay one bill, we are told of another bill that we need to pay as well, right? Now, my issue and our issue is all of this information through our broker could have been relayed to us. You understand what I'm saying? So that we wouldn't have to keep going through this, repeating the process and repeating a new process and starting a new process. You understand what I'm saying? Just give us the information one time, and then we would have had an idea that, okay, when we come there, we can't just pay the 269,000 because the amount would have built up from the time there. You understand what I'm saying? So if we had got that information, then we wouldn't have been in the situation that we are in right now. In April, as I'm sure you know already, April the 12th, my wife, thinking this would have been the final money that we need now to go pay this bill to get the shipment in our possession, she went to receive an amount of 77,000 Jamaican dollars to assist us, because this now we are saying is the final amount. On her way now to bring the money to us, she met her demise in a bus accident.
Alright, so the container,
Yes, sir.
you have cleared it,
We have cleared it right now.
but some of the things are missing.
A few of the things are missing. Quite a few of the things are missing. We're supposed to have a living room set within the items or along the items, and the whole living room set is missing along with a few boxes. In Jamaica right now, Jamaica has a system that is tending to force, how would I put it now, force a person liberty to become that of a criminal. You understand what I'm saying? The type of loops that them put you through in order to fulfill any or complete any process in Jamaica. The way in which they set up such a process, it is impossible for the poor man in Jamaica to access this process. You understand what I'm saying? And you have to remember now, say, in Jamaica, it is majority poor people.
How great thou art, how great thou art.
You know, to be honest with you, she was the only friend that I had.